Welcome to tutorial number 29. I'm going to continue to talk about draft, and this time I'm going to use the step draft tool. I have the part from the previous tutorial, so let's click Ctrl Z to undo the previous change. So now I'm going to activate the draft, and this time choosing step draft. Direction of pull, I'm going to choose this plane. Parting line, I can choose this line. So now let's apply. Let's delete this one. So now I have 45-degree drafting. So let's apply step draft one more time. Direction of pull, this face, and parting line, this line. So now we have 45-degree draft. So I'm going to apply one more time here, but I'm going to change the direction of drafting to be inside the block. So draft 45, direction of pull, this face, and the parting line, this line, and here I'm going to change the direction, apply. So we have drafting inside this shape. So I am done with this tutorial, and see you in the next tutorial.